Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome GNR on GR buttons radio on your Nintendo Switch 2 Pro Controller. You can use that, go to controllers, and then you can see how to use the GL/GR buttons on your controller itself. This is the tutorial written on your console itself. You can go to systems, you can go to there to controllers and accessories, and then you can see the same GL, GR buttons, how to use them. And now we see how we get information about that. Now let's talk about how we can use it. We have a home button on the left side of your Y button, or in the center a little bit right, and this is the program GR button possibility. But this is only going to edit if you are in a game. So start a game as you like. Every game is possible to use the GL and GR buttons on your Switch 2 Pro controller. If you now see, we are in the game and we can then drive like a boss, of course. Standard way, but GL and GR button are not operating. If you push the home button and keeps hold a little bit, we can then choose the, for example, GL button first, go to the settings, and then we can push any button we like to assign. Let's perform the A button, for example. Now we go to the GR button. We can perform now every button on the screen or on the controller. And then we can see now we can navigate and accelerate and brake and something else using the GL and GR button, as well as an easy performance. This is an additional part with two programmable buttons on your Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller. If you like to get them back in idle, or in the mode what the game developers like to choose them, we push again and then we go to the GR button and hold it for 2 seconds, okay? And that means it will go to the standard GL and GR button setting again. That's how to program, and that's how to use this brand new Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller buttons GL and GR. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.